morning, guys. It is another morning. I feel like I haven't been vlogging that much, but
You're not vlogging.
I don't know. Yeah, mom even said it. I feel like I'm not vlogging that much. I feel like the first few days are always a little bit like not as vlogged because there's just so much stuff going on. But the rest of the trip I will definitely vlog. Yeah, I'm gonna go get my hair braided.
Yes, but me busy man, but me soon come. All right, mama.
Good morning. So yeah, I look crazy. Oh, yesterday we met a subscriber. What's his name, mommy?
Who?
The guy with the bread. He was so nice.
I don't know anyone.
Well, we met a subscriber. I never meet a subscriber in Jamaica, and he was like, yeah, I watch your videos. He was so nice. So big up yourself if you're watching.
That was Erica's son.
Erica's son? So big up yourself. So basically, I just followed mom somewhere. I had breakfast, and I haven't been vlogging, but I'm gonna vlog better. I have a few more days. I'm gonna vlog a lot better. And my grandma's coming to Lucy, but she's a late bug like me, so she's not ready. She's not left her yard. And now I'm going to go and take a shower. I'm getting my hair braided. I'm so excited because I don't know, the heat is like different this time. Usually it does not bother me, but I like glued my hair or tacked my hair, and my hair literally has been sliding because I usually wear 4 bundles. I don't wear 3, and it's too heavy, so it's like sliding back. So I can't wait to get my hair braided. I've been wanting braids forever. I'm gonna get them super long in jet black, and I'm ready. That's on Tuesday.
So what minute they go do with the money? I said, what mean why they do with the pension? Why you sending money go give him to do?
Why would she ask you that?
Fool, what kind of question there?
Yeah.
Why you sending money go give him to do? It's a woman and me for pension. You send go give him.
They're so nosy. Even the lady in customs in the airport was so nasty to me. Fling the paper to me. Yeah, and like I was like, wow. Yeah, customer service is in Jamaica. I remember her name. Yeah. Guys, I look crazy. I'm gonna try and get my hair braided tomorrow. This is not flying. Look who's here.
Sit at my food.
Fish fry. Mama's about to eat her little fish, right?
I'm gonna find out when guys can come and then we make you ask them.
So guys, me and my grandma are here, right? We're eating fish. There was a fish fry. Please, mommy. It's about Leisha and Niall. So Leash, you guys know how? Yeah, Leash, which is my grandma's daughter, and my little cousin. And please do it. She just told me the story. I laughed so hard. Tell her.
Alicia made to him about. Now going me and said, Alicia, what is that?
No, start from the beginning, Grandma. Alicia's taking a shower. And now my little cousin, where is he from? Canada or England? England. Came down. Alicia's taking a shower. And what happened, Mama?
Now going and say, Alicia come and say, Alicia, what is that? Alicia pussy with the hair. Now going and say, Mom. Until Alicia say, pussy with the hair. Oh my God.
Mom, you know that story?
No. If I say it,
and you didn't even tell it right. You see? The whole family's mad. Whole family is mad. So guys, we are in Samuel's supermarket. Mom's
hold him up. Here you go.
It's not gonna. Dang, Mom, you're so skilled. Ooh. Mom, Grandma.
Alright.
Wow, Mom. You can run shop, my girl.
Good man.
Mm-hmm.
Let me see if I sit me on. Good.
It's your favorite jackass. My cousin Clover.
Hey, bad donkey.
It's your favorite donkey.
Clove. Hi, my beautiful cuz.
It cost me a few other day and you couldn't send me for a donkey, no? Oh, I feel of stuff, you know. Oh, Kasha. Tell me. How are you? I'm good.
You smell so good.
You smell him?
Yes.
Kering, you know.
I don't care for your man, you know. Are you my careful?
Oh,
You know, since you're too big.
oh, you're thick, Clove.
Like that.
You're happy.
So
You're alright.
Yeah.
The pop over like them. Must smell nice. You damn too much. But you say no, me for a donkey.
No.
You want that thing say? Ask your sister. Donkey running high blood. Some good things are we not on tail.
Oh my God.
Oh, they got no. Where you go? I'm big. Maybe come big. Oh.
Are you next?
I don't me, are you?
Me not come back, me come take up my things in, yeah?
Oh, me nice.
Come take my things in, no problem.
That smells sweet.
Mom.
Oh,
It's Mom. She smells so good.
so fun.
Nothing.
I don't come to see nobody else than you.
I know.
I don't go for your mama because you interest me and good and proper.
Why?
Me.
Why?
So you're not there?
When was that? Oh, you know Gavan was here. I heard a little piece, but I didn't know it was you. But I know you can handle yourself, Clove.
Me trouble you? Me cause you? Give me some Tory stuff. You know you're the gallant.
I mean, it feels so
You call me phone. You call me phone. Eh? You find when you don't come here. Then give me some.
She's jealous.
Jealousy. Oh, you know so.
I know.
Jealousy, they kill him. So in time, I see me come in yard. I be calling him so. I call him 24/7s. Me check on her.
Mom?
Communication that, not true?
Yes.
And then me not come. Come here tell you sometimes me not feel good. Give some tours still like some if you take crutch stick out. You're too big, that's enough. You have too much weight.
Clover, you're happy.
You cover your heart.
You look good though.
Too big.
No.
Me not alright so.
Yeah. More than alright.
A big as a barrel. This is why you cuss me for.
I'm not serious cuss.
I mean, no, see, you love me, you know. But I show you, still, you know. Show you the Delma and stuff. When time I see you at different.
I like me cuss you all the while.
So that's what I tell me.
No, me didn't know.
Can you tell me back?
What mean the other day when you see me and Junjun when we were grown?
Oh, when me tell you, come.
Go sleep.
Eh.
What mean do?
Yeah, I don't know.
What mean tell you say?
They tell me if you come. So what? So don't you say me don't come. If you don't
But me not plastic bag and make sure something.
Country short.
You clear plastic, you use it? Oh, I do rice. Me ain't carry people, but show me get dinner rice.
But you're fat though. And your legs are pretty.
They all like them, not you? Ain't they pretty?
I want in the one face here like them pretty. Eh? See walk fast, I saw I'll breeze.
What did you say?
Why is it? I don't know. Okay. Why girl got money? That's how far they got I know.
Yeah. Same old, same old.
Pretty too.
Yeah? Runs in the family, Clove.
I didn't mind.
Yes, I see you in mother girl.
What? Del
Oh,
Maya
me
man.
know.
What
I
happened?
talk to you.
I didn't trouble me in there.
Del Maya is your mother.
Why?
Never necessarily.
Dollar.
Oh, you think a week off?
Alex. Oh.
No, I'm not saying that it's too big.
It's so.
Aren't you making a
Are you one? How are you? Where cook for?
her and June?
Yeah, put on in the fridge.
Yeah, put on peace.
Yeah, put on cut and put on piece in the fridge.
Cook all of it. Son.
Del Moy.
Eh?
You go. Go over.
Yeah, right. I get to this one.
Yeah, man.
Hour.
Fair enough.
Yeah, I'm walking Grams.
Where you go?
Right there. I can't walk you.
The pastor me can't see you.
All right. Thank you, Clove. I know. Mom said I can walk until. You don't want me to hold it back until I can't? Me and Graham. I'm walking Grandma. Look at her load. Grandma leaving. Give me one, Mama.
Yeah, be that too. What's going on?
No. Mama, give it to me.
Alright, I thought we were done.